Hello everyone, Jose Crespo here with Precise HVAC Home Services YouTube channel. On this channel here, you're gonna learn so much valuable information about HVAC systems that you wish you knew before. You're gonna learn how to change your thermostat. You're gonna learn how to change your batteries on your thermostat. You're gonna learn how to change your filter. Maybe even potentially change your motors and diagnose your system. We're going to give you so much information that you're gonna wanna come back and you're gonna wanna check this channel out every single time. Why should we change our filters? And how often? Well, changing your filters are extremely important. How often should we change them? If your system is combined with your heat and AC, you should be changing them anywhere between 1 to 3 months. And the reason why, it's because it's running all year long. The misconception is, well, I don't use it often. Well, you are using it often if you're using it in the heat mode and you're using it in the AC mode. Now, the question is, which filter should I buy? That's a great question. Which filter should we get? The cheap one, the most expensive one? Well, here's the thing. Your health, is it important to you? Is it worth something to you? Well, that should be how you get your answer. They have MERV 6 filter, they have a MERV 10 filter, a MERV 13 filter, a MERV 16 filter. The higher the MERV rating the filter is, the more efficient it's going to be and the less particles that it's going to let by that filter. And what that's going to mean is that now your health increases. You're not sucking in all that dust that you used to suck in before. Also, when you have a MERV 16 filter, sometimes they come with a carbon backside. And with a carbon backside, if you are a person that cooks a lot and you make a lot of good food in the home, it can take that smell and restrain it right there so it doesn't come back into the house. Those are the reasons why you should not only be changing your filter periodically, but you should be getting the correct filter for your home. Another big thing is when you do change that filter, please make sure you stamp a date on it. It's so important. A lot of people don't do that. What they do is they just put it in the slot, they walk away from it, and then wonder, when did I change that filter last? It was 5 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago, and then come to find out the filter is as dark as it could possibly be, and they're wondering why their AC or their heater is not working well.